Hello, and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. Have you ever opened your phone, looked for the Google Chrome app, and it just wasn't there? The icon is missing, not on your home screen, and it doesn't even show up in your app drawer. Don't worry, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can happen for several reasons. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to fix Google Chrome not showing up on your Android device. And the best part, you won't need any extra apps, and it's completely free. Let's get started. Go to your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Find Google Chrome and tap it. Usually the reason why the Instagram app doesn't appear is because Google Chrome is disabled. Then to display it back to the main screen is to activate it. If the first way hasn't worked, it means you still can't find the Chrome app. Now you can try using the second way. Exit the app settings. Then open the Google Play Store and search for the Chrome app. Well, then here will also appear a button to activate the Google Chrome app. Tap on the Enable button, and if there is an Update button, please update. Then after that, you can see the Google Chrome application will appear again on the main screen of the cell phone. Those are all the effective ways to fix Google Chrome not appearing on your Android phone. All steps are easy, safe, and free to do. No third-party apps needed. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.